Good morning to everyone. This is Anil in front of you. I am an HR of this company, and today we have just commenced this meeting to update you regarding our features of this company. So there are so many manifestations of this company which you all have to follow after being recruited. So please pay heed towards my word. So first of all, if I want to I would like to update first of all you regarding the updation of our company, because company has recently launched a policy by which it is going to recruit the undergraduate people by the affiliation from the government of India itself. After that, the regular or traditional basis we used to commence or you used to recruit the people from the graduate level, but this is the lucrative opportunity for those who really want to show their very polished and sharp talent to the company, and they can bring the company towards the different heads of the height. Like if I just talk about, so in the graduation period or the graduate undergraduate period, there are two categories of the students in this company. So it will be for the undergraduate people that whatever I'm going to speak, so they have to pay the heed towards my word. Undergraduate people are entitled for so many different or additional facilities which is definitely giving them edge from the different another companies. Our company is fastest growing company, but it is not at the a super company, but in the future it will become also the super company. So let me start from the salary background. So for the graduate people we have approximately 18,500, which is the maximum amount which can satisfy most of the graduate people. And for the undergraduate people we have 12,500 because they are undergraduate. So undergraduate people will also get some kind of a lucrative facilities which they really desire in this company. If I just talk about whenever you will get your traditional salaries in your account, so after 6 months stability in your company, if you stable in this, if you adhere to the principles or rules or regulations of this company, so you will get the retention bonus of 10,000, which is a very handsome amount for undergraduate people or for the graduate people even. If you just talk about if you just expire if you have the really great tenure in this company, so experienced people will get the 2,000 additional amount which will be credited by the company itself to make them happy. And as there are so many companies which are promoting their candidates or the employees frequently, so our company is not left behind. Our company will also reap this benefit of the promotion. So promotion after the 18 months minimum time period, you will be promoted in this company as a manager. Okay. So when you will become manager, so you will be entitled for 30,000 monthly salary, which will be credited in your account. So I think it is a golden opportunity for those who really want to be a manager of this company. So don't wait for this. Please show a stability in this company by which you can reap so many different benefits which other companies are not providing to their employees. If we just talk about the salary promotion, the point has been covered of the 30,000 salary for the manager from the undergraduate or the graduate vicinity. Yes, as all the employees are coming from the poles apart region of the country and from the different states also, so they all are entitled to the to the very good facilities of the cafeteria, which will provide them the food after receiving the 22 coupons of every month. And if they don't bring any kind of a coupons, so they are entitled to pay 60 rupees as per the non-vegetarian food or 90 rupees as per the 60 rupees vegetarian food or 90 rupees non-vegetarian food. So and in that non-vegetarian food we will be providing only fish, mutton and chicken, not more than any kind of seafood. Yes, right. And
the employees know more than the
yes. Weekly off is not fixed here. Weekly off is not fixed here because our company is growing, as we have said this thing that our company is growing. So weekly off is not fixed. If you really want to take off, so you have to update the company before 10 days back. So company can arrange another employee in your absence, so that company will not face any kind of backlog in terms of growth and promotion. Increment after year 1000. Suppose that if you pass your 1 year in this company, so this company will definitely give you 1000 increment. Increment which means if you are getting the salary of 12,000 or 18,500 or as a manager 30,000, so 1,000 will be added in your account definitely. dress code, this as usual companies also provide the dress code, so this company will also not leave behind this aspect also of the dress code. Monday to Friday you are entitled to wear the formal dress code like a t-shirt and pant, or shirt and pant and shoes, where it should look professional, and rest 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, which is at your convenience. Whatever the dress code you want to apply on you, you can wear in that company and company will not stop you. But if you wear the formal, like if you wear the casual dress between Monday to Friday, so you are entitled to ask the company for that particular day, and your that day particular amount will not be added in your account, and company will use you as a asset. Flexible hours, as every institutions or every companies are giving the foundation to the employees that you are entitled to commence in this company till this hour to this hour. But our company is very unique in this feature, because our company has has brought this feature, like if any employees does not want to do job when they are feeling uncomfortable, so at their convenience level they can come in company and perform their activity, like their job profile, and they can go back to their home. So it is a flexibility of the time which will make them feel comfortable. Probation period, in this company we are providing for the 6-month probation. Probation is basically for those who are actually recruited fresh candidates. So they all probationers will get the assistance from their senior, and their senior will assist them in terms of learning the work profile. So they will perform in the future as a actual performer. And apart from this probation period, we are providing like cap facilities, because we want to facilitate our employees. So as we know that it becomes very hectic in the metropolitan cities, that we don't get the particular vehicle at particular time. So our cab facilities would be for those people who really want to reach the company at a particular time, but at the company's desired destination, but not employees' desired destination. Always remember this. So that's all about. And apart from, if I want to draw your attention, so we have the medical facilities for those employees who are entitled in this company for the medical treatment. So their extended family members are not entitled for this facility, only their real siblings, real siblings or their parents. But after their marriage, like sisters and brothers, they would also not be entitled for the medical facilities further by the company itself. So I hope you all understand the manifesto of these companies. And there are so many credentials which you have to fulfill at anyhow. So our company can definitely achieve the growth and development in terms of the fastest growing company. So that's all from my side. I hope you will be enjoying this company when you will be recruited as employees. And I would like to urge you that please, we have organized one small feast for you people in the backside cafeteria, so you can enjoy whatever you want to enjoy there. Thanks all.